A balloon? I wonder what's inside. It's money! Yay! I'm rich! I'm rich! Markers and colored paper? What else do you need to make a gift? Start from the corner and write the word love. Fill the free space with hearts. Do the same with the other sheets. Roll them up. Glue the edges. Now print a funny photo of you and your friend. Cut the tubes at a 45-degree angle. Glue them to the photo instead of a frame. Fasten a stand to the back side. You can't come up with a gift for your friend? A photo frame is always a good option. What's better than warm memories with your friends? A good gift starts with a good sketch. Cut out a cardboard pattern. Bend the edges and glue the box together. Now take wooden skewers and twine. Wind the twine around the skewers, from top to bottom, leaving a long tail on one end. Glue the sticks to the corners of the box. Now blow up a balloon. Apply some hot glue to the sticks. Attach the balloon. Tie it with the free ends of the twine. Fill the basket with colored twine. Insert lollipops. Surprise! This is for you! Your friend will be so happy! This is so cute! A balloon with sweet candy? Lollipops! I haven't eaten those in years! Now take a piece of thick cardboard. Cut out 2 bunnies of different sizes. Make holes with a utility knife. Color them with acrylic paint. Glue on eyes and other decorations. Insert the ears of the smaller bunny into the slots. You get a cute phone stand. Your friends will definitely not find such a cute stand in a store. Headphones and perler beads? What do they have in common? You are about to find out. Assemble a picture from the pieces on the board. Cover them with thermal paper and iron it. Remove the details of the piece. Make a couple of brown pieces and a couple of white ones. Glue the Oreo cookies around the white layer. Wind your headphones on the reel. And for your friend, make one in the form of a cupcake. And no more knots and worrying about your headphones. This is it, the start of our sweet life. And now take tennis balls and paint. Cut a ball. Paint the halves in the colors of flags of different countries. USA, Hungary, Jamaica, Japan, Germany, France. Hot glue them to a board. Glue a couple of magnets to the back. It's not just a magnet to stick on the fridge, but also a meaningful souvenir. Which of these countries have you been to? You can make great gifts out of multicolored wire too. Twist the end with round pliers. Next, take a marker and wind the wire around it in a spiral. Cut off the excess. Form a heart from the free end. What do you think this is? A stylish ring? This DIY jewelry will complete your look and add a special touch. And now take a small towel. Lay it on a flat surface. Make bends on 2 sides. Turn it over. Roll the edges toward each other. Tie the ends with elastic bands. Put it in an arc. Mark the center of the second towel with your finger. Bend the edges towards the center. Turn it over. Lift the narrow part and unbend the wide part. Fasten googly eyes. Attach the head to the body. Look, these elephants came to cheer you up. They are so funny! For the next idea, you are going to need a fork and a spoon. Use pliers. Bend the tines toward the fork. And bend the handle of the spoon. Put some decorative stones in a small jar. Decorate it with a satin ribbon. Insert cutlery. It's not just a jewelry stand, but also a piece of art. Should I keep it to myself instead of gifting it? It's useful and beautiful at the same time. A hand mirror? Great choice! Take a piece of fabric with double-sided sequins. Cut it to match and glue it to the mirror. Cut out 2 hearts from a file. Put them together and seal the edge with a candle. Pour a little dry glitter in the hole. Fill it with glycerin using a dropper. Glue it to the mirror from the back. Girls' lives are full of situations that can stress them out. Did you scratch yourself? Don't worry, relax with your new mirror. I hope no problem stresses you out. If you have got colored paper, then you can make a gift for your favorite person. Cut out hearts. Take a tea bag. Cut the corners on the tag. Glue hearts on both sides. Write cute messages. Decorate the box of tea with scrapbooking paper. Glue the paper using Elmer's glue. Put the tea bags with hearts in the box. And now it's not just tea, but a very festive drink. It will warm both your body and your soul. You can see that it was made with love. These straws are so beautiful and bright. What if? Choose several beautiful straws at a time. Lay them on a piece of foil. Cover them with a second layer of foil. Iron them. Take out a multicolored plate. Make a couple of holes on each end using a hole punch. Pass a bright ribbon through them. What a cute bracelet! Your friend will definitely like it. And now take straws and a candle. Burn the ends of a straw. Cut out a ring. Make a bunch of multicolored rings and string them on an elastic band. Tie the ends. You have got a stylish hair accessory. A colored bracelet, a bright hair tie. It's a rainbow set. So beautiful! If you are being creative, you can make a cool gift even from a matchbox. Cover it with paper and remove the matches. Draw a camera with black eyeliner. Color it with markers. Sign it. Glue a cute drawing with a touching inscription inside. Choose funny drawings for 2 more matchboxes. Give them and mix them. What do you have today? A compliment or a fortune? Choose one. Oh, how cute! Sea salt and a bottle? This duo can make an awesome gift. Add coloring to the bowl with salt. Mix thoroughly so all the salt is colored. Tint the salt in different colors. Use seashells for decoration. Pour the salt in the bottle in layers. Put the seashells between the layers. Close it with a cap. Cover it with a piece of burlap. Tie a twine with a label. I can't wait to take a mega healthy bath with salt. Goodbye, dry and scratchy skin! Did you like our inexpensive gift ideas? Which of your own birthday gifts do you remember the most? Let us know in the comments. Click like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss any festive ideas and life hacks from Troom Select.